Hi everyone, my name is Megan from Denver Yoga Social. I am here at Flight Co., one of our many venues across Denver where we teach yoga classes. And I'm here to teach you Virabhadrasana II or Warrior II. We're going to start on the right side. So from here, step your right foot out, pointing your right toes towards the top of your mat. Extend your left leg behind you. Left toes will point towards the side of your mat. Your hips are open towards the side of your mat as well. Reach in opposition. Reach to the right fingertips, extend through the left. Sink into your right knee, 90-degree bend over your right ankle. Make sure that you can see the top of your foot over your knee. Work your tailbone down towards the mat. Pull low belly up and in. Find your drishti or single pointed focus over your middle finger. And just breathe for 2. And 1. And now from here, press into your right foot. Reach your arms up. Point your right toes towards the side of your mat. And then you're going to open your left foot towards the top of your mat. Sink into your left knee. Press the mat apart with your feet. We're just moving into Warrior II on the left side. Work that tailbone down and back. Shoulders down and back. And find your gaze for 2. And 1. Gently begin to release and step back to the top of your mat. If you need to find a modification for that posture, just go into it with a little bit of a lesser stance and build your strength slowly. Again, do what's comfortable in your body and always honor and listen to what your body is telling you. Thanks so much.